how to reply to a specific text message on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to reply to a specific text message on your iPhone. If you've ever wanted to respond to someone a few lines up, the video is for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Messages app and then find the conversation where you want to reply to. So now scroll up and then find the specific text, and now you just have to long press on the text that you want to reply to, and you'll find the reply option right there. Tap on it, and then you can see only that message gets highlighted. And you can just reply anything to it and hit send, and then that's it. You can see uh, the specific text has only been replied to. This is super helpful because it keeps the conversation organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.